In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text into columns in a word processing document. Whether you're working on a newsletter, a brochure, or any layout that would benefit from a multi-column format, this guide will help you create a polished, professional appearance with ease. So, let's dive right in and explore how to effectively organize your content into columns. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is select the text that you wish to format into columns. If your aim is to transform your entire document into a columned format, you can actually skip the selection step altogether. Once your text selection is taken care of, or if you're opting for the whole document, we're ready to move to our next step. Next, let's navigate to the Columns menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to head over to the Layout tab. Now, depending on the version of your word processing software, you might see it labeled as Page Layout. Once there, look for the Columns option within the Page Setup group. Clicking this will open a menu with various layout choices. Now comes the fun part, choosing a column layout that best fits your needs. You'll see several preset options right at your fingertips. Selecting one will keep your document in its normal single-column format. Perfectly normal and traditional. Opting for two will give you a classic two-column layout, which is great for breaking up large blocks of text and giving your document a more integrated flow. If you want to add even more divisions, choose three for a three-column setup, a popular choice for newsletters and magazine-style layouts. You also have the left and right options. The left choice will create a narrow left column, while right gives you a narrow right column, allowing for some creative design possibilities. Columns can be incredibly useful for a variety of document types, particularly when you're aiming to create something engaging and visually appealing, like articles, newsletters, or flyers. They're perfect for organizing content neatly, but you don't have to stop there. If you're incorporating images, consider wrapping them tightly around the text within your columns. This can add a dynamic element to your layout and make your document look professionally designed. And there's more to consider for that polished final product. Take a moment to adjust the margins and spacing of your columns. Carefully setting these variables can help clean up your document's appearance and make the reading experience much more enjoyable for your audience. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating documents that are not only informative, but also visually impressive. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy formatting!